Be ready. Start. In today's time, India is taking the lead in many sectors, be it space, defense, technology, or any international platform. In the next 25 years, India will complete its 100 years of independence. Any country's growth is seen through the lens of its last 15 years. From facing the 1991 economic crisis to becoming the fifth largest economy in the world, India has come a long way. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has set a goal of making India a developed country in the next 25 years. This Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav will change the face of India completely. In 2047, I see India as one of the leading nations in every aspect. Poverty will be eliminated and no person will suffer to complete his basic living needs. The unemployment rate will be so low and there will be a proper employment registration system in our country. Basic needs like education and hospitals will be affordable and easily accessible to all citizens. India will be exploring space and many other evolving technologies. As per the Global Innovation Index ranking 2021, India stands at 46th position in the IT sector. In the next 25 years, I see India leading the IT sector with its innovative minds. Artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and other emerging technologies which have recently set foot in India will become a part of daily life. The cleanliness and proper sanitation in India, which is a major issue in today's time, will be solved and people will be more aware and participate in making the country clean. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan will be a successful initiative. Also, in terms of population, from being the most polluted city, Delhi, I want India to become the nation of the cleanest cities. In 2047, I see the India economy grow further and the Indian market will expand even more. The GDP and per capita income will be improved and the India which was once called the bird of gold will once again become a wealthy nation and will be decided on the basis of qualifications and not on the basis of gender or categories. I want the Indian economy to grow further and become the largest economy in the world by 2047. At present, India has a $2.66 trillion GDP in 2022, which is expected to grow further at the end of the year. As per the CII, India is expected to be a 35 to 45 trillion economy in 2047. The per capita income will also improve, hence, poverty will be diminished. People will be self reliant and the government will fund the development projects of the country more. I want my India to grow and also for the people residing in it to live with happiness and brotherhood. The people will be known as Indians without being called for a particular religion. The core Indian culture will be alive and be passed on to the next generation. Future vision always depends upon the current and previous work. And envisioning India at 2047 is basically what we can expect from our current work and what we have done since India's independence. India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate 75 years of independence and the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. This celebration not only marks our achievements during the last 75 years, but also encourage us to envision the future perspective of India to make our country world's best nation in every span of life by the year 2047. Since independence on 15th August 1947, India is striving hard to make India Atmanirbhar in every field, and we have also achieved it. It is time to set new goals for Vision India 2047 so that when we enter in 100 years of independence, India will be world's best nation. For this purpose, we have to learn from our past works and future perspective. To make India world's best nation, I am sure that we will achieve the following targets when we enter in year 2047. By the year 2047, we envision that India will be best place for advanced education system. Students from not only India but also from all over the world will come to pursue here due to its best quality of education. Government of India has already launched new education policy to improve education system in India. Focusing on the literacy rate of India, it can be observed that we have already achieved a lot in the field of education, but we have not reached yet 100% literacy rate. So, continuous systematic effort will improve the reach of education to the grassroots level, where people also have access to the quality education. For this purpose, affordable and quality education to everyone should be our utmost priority. This is the era of technology where every work is somehow dependent on internet and technology. Also, progress of a nation can be measured by the progress in the field of technology. India has done a lot in the field of technology, and in the past 7 decades, India has built satellites, sent probes to the moon, and reached Mars in its first attempt. India has also established nuclear power stations, acquired nuclear weapon capability, and demonstrated firepower in the form of a range of missiles. But achieving the targets and exploring the new things is sign of progress. Launch of 5G with high bandwidth internet speed is sign of progress in the field of internet. National Strategy on Artificial Intelligence released by NITI Aayog focused on economic growth and increasing social inclusion with a goal to make India a global leader in artificial intelligence by ensuring responsible and transformative AI for all. This all shows that India has strong potential and will power to be leader in computer science and artificial intelligence by the year 2047. India is a developing nation and rich in natural resources, manpower, and creative minds. During the past 7 decades, we have already achieved a lot and continue working towards nation building. We hope that when we enter in the year 2047, India will be leader in the every field. All the evils such as corruption, poverty, illiteracy, hunger, discrimination, etc. will no longer exist and every person will be educated, self-reliant, self-empowered and living a respectful life and working towards nation building and India's flag will fly across the world.